Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. Solana is holding much better actually than many other cryptocurrency charts at the moment. Some charts have broken supports, maybe Ethereum slightly, but I think it's already recovering a bit. But anyway, Solana is still holding well in its support zone, and despite all the red candles everywhere, Solana is holding up really well, and it still looks like a textbook three-wave move to the downside from the swing high that formed there on the 14th of August. So for Solana, obviously what we've been tracking is a three-wave move to the upside from the August low. We explained that in previous updates, so 3 waves up and 3 waves down, right? And the Fibonacci support levels are located at $165.94, $174.20, $180.25, and $186.50. So these are the 4 Fibonacci support levels. You see that we're already kind of in the middle of that support area. I could actually remove the upper section. We don't need it anymore. So I just want to leave the levels on the chart that actually matter right now. That means the next levels to watch are $174.20 and, well, $165.94 in this area. Ideally, we would see a reaction, right? The thing is then, within this structure, within this support zone, what we can identify is an additional target area, which we measured that together in one of the previous videos, this additional target zone, $171.49 to $166.20. So you see there is really some confluence in that lower section of the Fibonacci support area. Does it mean the price has to get there? No. Does it mean the price has to turn around there if we get there? No. But it's an additional area of interest where we get some confluence from different, let's say methods of measuring targets here. And the price is currently still holding above that key support there at around $165.94. Let's call it $166. So at the moment, support is not broken. In addition to that, we've got this ascending trend line here that is part of a larger wedge pattern, which might be tested. We talked about that earlier today when I made the video about the daily chart. And when we then zoom in a little bit, so basically we're in a correction, right? We have no confirmed low yet. So it's, however, about understanding that we could just simply be in a corrective pullback. And any micro 5-wave move up from the current location could suggest that we have bottomed there, at least locally. For now, I'm tracking this as an A, B, C structure to the downside. And in the C wave, I have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4. And this move down could be an ending diagonal pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. We might get one more low on the nano level. But then ideally, rather sooner than later, we could see a bounce and the start of the next leg to the upside. And if we get either now or maybe after the next low, a micro 5-wave move up, followed by a 3-wave corrective pullback, then this would be a setup, so-called 1-2 setup to the upside, which could set the stage for a larger recovery. Price has now been in a corrective mode or in a correction for a week or so. So yeah, we could get that next rally then from there. So at the moment, you know, can I guarantee support holds? No, but we focus on the present. So I do have a rally from the August low. Okay, it's not a 5-wave move. Yeah, in the white count it might be, but as I always say, you know, most people count this just without using Fibonacci guidelines. And using Fibonacci guidelines, it looks more like a 3-wave move up. That in itself means we have to be cautious, right? The pullback is corrective and we're holding support. So because we are holding support and the pullback looks corrective, which means it's a 3-wave move, generally am still watching for higher prices, but cannot yet confirm that a low is formed. This is the area where I'm watching for it though. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates, so feel free to follow us there. The link is in the description, but also in the comment section, and here you can get additional updates, additional charts, additional commentary, news, and all sorts of things. So feel free to join us here for some additional updates, charts that we sometimes don't share on YouTube. So feel free to join there. Link, as I said, is in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.